Hello students, in this video we will discuss heating effect of electric current. So let's first discuss Ohm's law. Let us consider a metallic conductor of length L and cross-sectional area A which is maintained at temperature T. Let this metallic conductor is connected to a source of potential V. According to Ohm's law, the magnitude of electric current I flowing in the metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between its ends, provided that the other physical conditions like the temperature of the metallic conductor, its physical dimensions, and the material of the metallic conductor is kept constant. Hence, from Ohm's law, we can write potential difference V is directly proportional to electric current I, or V is equal to IR, where R is constant of proportionality called as resistance. So R represents the resistance of the metallic conductor. This resistance of metallic conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area A. Or we can write R is directly proportional to L upon A. From this we can conclude that longer and thinner wires have greater resistance than shorter and thicker wires. Hence we can write resistance R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is constant of proportionality called as specific resistance or resistivity of the material of the metallic conductor. When the length of the metallic conductor L and its cross-sectional area A is equal to 1, then the resistance of the metallic conductor R is equal to its specific resistance rho. Hence, specific resistance of a metallic conductor is defined as the resistance of the conductor of unit length and unit cross-sectional area. It is in fact the resistance of unit cube of the metallic conductor. So if I consider a unit cube or 1 meter cube of this metallic conductor, then whatever is the resistance of this 1 meter cube metallic conductor, that is called as specific resistance or its resistivity. On passage of electric current I in the metallic conductor, the free electrons drift in a direction opposite to the applied electric field and collide with the stationary positive metallic ions. The collision of electrons with the stationary positive metallic ions results in the conversion of kinetic energy of the electron into heat energy. Let a charge q coulombs flow in the metallic conductor for time t. So if an electric current I flows in the metallic conductor for time t, then the charge q coulombs is given by q is equal to it. The heat dissipated by the metallic conductor is the amount of work done in flowing q coulombs of charge through this metallic wire. Since potential is the amount of work done to flow 1 coulomb of charge, so if we multiply q coulombs with the potential V, we will get the total amount of work done to flow q coulombs of charge, and this work is transformed into heat. Hence the heat dissipated by the metallic wire H is equal to work done W is equal to QV. So Q can be written as I into time t into potential V. So H becomes equal to ITV. Now from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So substituting V is equal to IR, we get I square RT. Now power is the heat dissipated by the metallic conductor per unit time. Therefore the power dissipated by the metallic conductor P is equal to H upon T. This is becomes equal to I square R or VI. Hence from this equation we conclude that the heat dissipated by a metallic conductor depends on the current flowing in the metallic conductor, on the resistance of the metallic conductor, and the time for which the current is flowing in the metallic conductor. In case of electric heater or electric bulb or any domestic appliance of resistance R, the power dissipated by these domestic appliances is given by P is equal to V square upon R, where V is the potential of the source with which these domestic appliances are connected. Hence, for all domestic appliances with RMS value of the voltage as Vrms, the power dissipated from the domestic appliances is given by V square upon R, or the power is inversely proportional to the resistance of the domestic appliances.